So let's go over the stances that we're going to have to know so we can get started with our Yogarate class. So the first stance is called at ease. So everybody take your hands, put them behind your back just like that. Open your feet just a little bit. Now, do I want your feet together or your feet open? Feet together or do I want your hands in front? Do I want your hands behind your back? You guys are so smart. Now everybody take a big belly breath in, breathe in. And everybody say, yes, sir! Good, nice show and respect, I love it. Now everybody put your feet together, slap your hands at your side. Everybody take a deep breath in, this is called attention. And everybody say, yes, sir! Nice, now we're gonna stick our noses up in the air. Everybody take a deep breath in. And when you bow with your eyes up, you're showing respect to everybody around you. So everybody breathe in and say, respect. Awesome, that was great. Now we're going to do our ready stance. So what we're going to do is we're going to take one step back. We're going to bend our knees and we're going to have our hands up right by our ears. Do I want your hands out like this or like this? Nice job. Do I want your elbows out like chickens or in like kangaroos? Nice. All right, so everybody ready stance. Now go, ayah! Awesome. Are you ready to try all of them together? Okay, good. So everybody wiggle your body, wiggle your body, wiggle your body. Freeze. At ease. Hands behind your back. Open your feet. Breathe in. Everybody say, yes, sir. Everybody next to it. Attention. Good job. Everybody breathe in. And everybody say, yes, sir. Nice. Everybody look up in the air. Take a deep breath in. And bow and say, respect. Awesome. And now let's get ready to do our karate move. Take a step back. Bend your knees. Hands by your ears. Everybody go, ayah! You just did all your stances. Congratulations. High five.